Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix CS2 video memory trying to allocate a texture. So without further ado, let's get started. What you need to do here, you just need to go on search and then right view, advanced system settings. You advanced system settings, and then on this new window you need to select advanced, then you need to be on performance and then select settings, then select advanced again, then select a virtual memory. Deselect this option here, select the disk where your game is installed. For me is disk E, and then select custom size, and then you should see currently allocated space right here. So what you need to do here is to put that particular space on initial size and on maximum size right here, and then press set. Okay. Okay. And after that, restart your computer and your problem will be fixed. So yeah, that's basically it. And if I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.